In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix Trello buttons that is not responding on mobile. So if buttons don't respond, you can open Trello on desktop and check if the same board works. But for this one, we are doing it on mobile. So as you can see here, the Trello board is functioning properly. You can head to another Trello board just to confirm if this board is actually working. So another quick fix here is to head back to your home screen and go back to your Trello. So once you return to the Trello app, you can refresh your workspace list by doing it and then reopening the board earlier. So the last resort for this problem is to head to the app info and then clear the cache of the application. Once you do that, you will now be clearing temporary cache that might be affecting the function of your Trello buttons or your Trello application. And that's it for our video today, and thank you for listening.